In this video, the Bitcoin price is right now testing the lower support of this massive triangle. And take a look at this, guys. Our technical analysis for the Bitcoin dominance played out exactly as predicted. But the question is, what is next for the Bitcoin price action as well as the whole crypto market? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba kahapon, yesterday we are still not expecting any bullish trend reversal kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo, if we're going to look at RSI, wala pa tayong signs of a clear bullish reversal indicators. And tingnan nyo to guys, look at this, it's playing out exactly. So diba sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi pa tayo mag-expect ng big move not unless we see those exact indicators na sinasabi ko na dapat nag-decline yung price. At the same time, the RSI must be increasing. But take a look at this. The price is currently declining but the RSI is not yet increasing. But as of the time being, open pa din yung 4-hour candle. So, wala pa tayong confirmation since this is still open. So, I'm not yet expecting any bullish reversal movement. This can still consolidate. We can actually still go down further. And in that case, what we are going to monitor next is we are going to monitor if we are going to get any bullish divergence, which is right now, wala pa tayong nakikita. And di ba yung sinasabi natin kapon na we are still expecting either a bleeding movement, kasi yun nga, wala pa tayong signs of a bullish trend reversal. And to take a look at it, guys, it's playing out exactly. And di ba, sa mga nagpo-follow sa ating Facebook, Telegram, and Discord group, meron din tayo actually update na binigay kanina umaga na meron tayong nakikitang ascending channel within the very short term in the early time frame. Ayun no. And diba sabi ko sa inyo dun sa group, if this breaks bearish, itong movement na yan, then that is a good shorting opportunity kasi ang target ito would be the bottom of the channel. And look at that, it met our target exactly as predicted. So congratulations guys if you've traded that. But right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So as you can see, looking at this in the early time frame, siguro nag-form na tayo ng bullish divergence for the very short term. So I think pwede tayo mag-consolidate dito further with the Bitcoin price action for the very short term kasi look at this. We are starting to get the declining price, but the RSI is increasing, so that could be a good sign. But take note, the candle is still open, so this is not yet a confirmed move. So remember, this must close with, dapat mag-bounce man lang siya dito. The moment na mag-bounce siya, at the same time, magkaroon tayo ng bullish divergence, then that could be a possible play na pwede natin i-play up until the previous resistance, which is around the 39,470 or 39,480, 39,450 US dollars. You can actually target that area if let's say mag-play out tong bullish divergence. But looking at this in the 4-hour time frame, wala pa talaga tayong bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. It's just that it's for the very short term, so we might expect consolidation for the very short term dito with the Bitcoin price, and that could be a good swing tradable opportunity if let's say we are going to see a bullish retracement for the very short term dyan. But yeah, as of the time being, we are not expecting any bullish reversal dito kay Bitcoin for the siguro for the bigger time frame, but for the very short term, bullish retracement lang just for us to play out this bullish divergence that we are seeing within the very short term. So yun yung ating monitor with the Bitcoin price action. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, one of the best places to trade that is actually with BingX. But if you want to claim bonus with BingX, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. So yun yung ating update for the Bitcoin price action. Now let's talk about the altcoin market. And when it comes to altcoin market, we have to look at the Bitcoin dominance kasi remember, whenever the dominance is declining, that would indicate na altcoins are going to perform better than Bitcoin. But if the dominance is increasing, then that would indicate Bitcoin is going to perform better and altcoins are more likely going to bleed against Bitcoin. And take a look at this. Diba sa mga previous videos, sinasabi ko sa inyo na you need to monitor this resistance kasi we might see a rejection. In that case, altcoins will remain healthy in the following movement. And look at that. It played out exactly as predicted. And diba, look at this. Sabi ko sa inyo, if bumaba yung Bitcoin dominance habang bumabagsak si Bitcoin, then that would mean hindi ganun kalakas yung impact ng pagbagsak ni Bitcoin sa altcoin market. And take a look at this with the Ethereum price action. Even though na nag-decline si Bitcoin way further below sa itong previous support, tingnan nyo, mas malalim siya. Tingnan nyo yung nangyari kay Ethereum. Nag-equal lang siya actually sa previous support. So as you can see, Ethereum is remaining healthy because of this declining Bitcoin dominance. So that is why you have to watch out for the Bitcoin price action at the same time yung Bitcoin dominance before entering the altcoin market. But right now, what is next for the altcoin market? So as you can see, we are now actually about to enter this support area. So as of the time being, you have to watch out with the altcoin market. You have to monitor the Bitcoin price action in the next few days na nga before entering into any big trades with the altcoin market. Kasi look at this, Bitcoin dominance is about to hit this support area nito ni Bitcoin dominance. But always remember, if ma-break natin itong support, if let's say lalo tayo nag-break down to the downside, then that could be an altcoin season with the altcoin market. But as of the time being, we are not yet seeing that. So right now, we are going to monitor this support if we are going to see a bounce. If nag-bounce to, then we are going to invest more with the Bitcoin price action for the time being. But if this declines further, then altcoin market tayo, altcoin season. And with that being said, let's dive into Ethereum. As you can see, di ba, sa previous analysis natin kay Ethereum, wala pa tayong ina-expect na bullish trend reversal kasi yun nga, wala pa tayong bullish signals. But looking at this in the hourly, let's try to look at this in the hourly. Wala tayong clear bullish trend reversal signal dito. So, I don't think na magbo-bullish reversal na to, but I think it's going to consolidate muna dito further. Looking at this in the 4-hour time frame, siguro the RSI is increasing, but yeah, the price is not rapidly declining. So, I don't think that is a confirmed movement. So as of the time being, I think ang maganda dito i-expect mo na kay Ethereum is consolidation. Wala pa tayong big move na i-expect with the Ethereum price action, not unless mag-form tayo ng clear indicator. But for the time being, we are actually seeing this strong support area dito kay Ethereum. Ito, around the $2,600 US, which is actually meron akong buy order dyan sa spot wallet na na-fill na ngayon. So as you can see, ayun, may strong support dito kay Ethereum. So we can actually bounce dito. And if you're going to zoom out dito further, so let's try to look at this at a bigger time frame and understand what's next for Ethereum. So as you can see, for the Ethereum price action, we are now actually forming this, ito. We are now forming this descending resistance. At the same time, meron din tayong support area around this area. So as you can see, we have a descending triangle forming. You can say na this could be a symmetric triangle. Pwedeng symmetric triangle, pero I think mas maganda sundan to kasi if you're going to look at this for the 4-hour time frame, mas clear to in the 4 time frame. So right now, we might be seeing a potential massive support and resistance area with the Ethereum price action, which we have to monitor in the coming days kasi we could actually still play within this area. Possible na mag-bounce lang siya dyan. But in this case, if lalo maging tight yung move dito, then we might see a big move with Ethereum price anytime soon. But as of the time being, we have to wait this one out before entering into any massive trade with the Ethereum price action. So yung muna update natin for the Ethereum price action. And diving in with SLP, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, wala tayong bullish trend reversal signal. It's just that it's a short-term pump lang. And look at that, di ba nag-play out siya exactly. And di ba sabi ko sa inyo, we are going to expect more consolidation pa din with the SLP price action. So ito yung next na kailangan natin intindihin kay SLP. So if let's say, nag-decline si Bitcoin, at the same time, biglang umakit dito si dominance, nag-bounce siya dyan, then that is bad for the SLP price action. That would indicate na following the similar concept, we're going to decline further. Kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo, in order for altcoins to remain healthy, the dominance must decline. So if nag-bounce to, at the same time pabagsak si Bitcoin, then that is not a good thing. Another thing din dito, if let's say, nag-bounce si Bitcoin, at the same time umakat si Bitcoin dominance, then that is not good din. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, if let's say, lalong umakat si Bitcoin, possible na ang mangyari dito kay SLP is mapapag-iwanan ng pump at lalo magkakonsolidate lang siya dyan. So at any case, in order for SLP to remain healthy, the dominance must decline. At the same time, dapat nagpa-pump si Bitcoin in order for the altcoin market as well as SLP to perform better against the Bitcoin price action. So right now, that is what we are going to monitor with the SLP price action. So I think yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.